Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to run the discovery agent to launch the new agent, the device agent once it's discover device. So now I have thermostat. This one is CT30 and I have one Wemo smart plug. Okay, let's get started. So first I can run the platform, which is Vontron Lite, this one, and after that I can run the BMOS Web UI. So this one, when you come to dashboard, there's nothing here. Okay, so and then I can run the discovery agent. You see, okay, this one. Okay, so now discovery agent is trying to find Wi-Fi device. So it found one and it launched the Wi-Fi thermostat agent. Now it found Wemo switch and is doing identification. This one. Now the light is turned back on. Okay. So then we're gonna look at the agent. Now we have two agents running, so we're gonna update the device info tables. Let me hide this one and this one. So we refresh it. So now we have two devices, one Wi-Fi thermostat and one Wi-Fi switch. Okay, and this is the current status. Okay. So this one, if you look at thermostat, it's the temperature 78, set point 61, and it's in heat mode. When you look here, temperature 78, set point 61, and in heat mode, and the Wi-Fi remote switch is on. Okay. Okay, it's on. When we look at the UI, we're gonna find this one. Okay, thermostat in heat mode 78 Fahrenheit, set point 61, Wi-Fi switch is on. Okay, so now I'm going to interact with the device. So the agent now is running in the background and updating database. So once I interact with device, I change something. You can see it in the dashboard. Okay, so now I'm gonna change to cool and change the temperature set point. Okay, maybe 74. So the device temperature is 78 in cool mode and temperature set point is 74. When I go back to the UI, see what happened. Now we got the same temperature, 78 Fahrenheit, cool mode, and set point 74. Then I'm going to turn off the Wemo switch, which is gonna turn off this light. Okay, I turn it off. This one. Now Wemo switch turn off. When we go back to the UI, you're gonna see now switch is turned off. So now we can interact with the device as it's gonna reflect in the UI. When we look at the backend, we're gonna see the database change and we have update from the agent. If we look at the log file, you're gonna see the interaction between agents for Wemo switch and for thermostat interact with the database, which will be resulting in updating the UI. See, Wi-Fi thermostat update database successfully. Wi-Fi switch update database, this one successfully. Okay, so one more time. Now I'm gonna change something here. Okay, let's change it to off. Wi-Fi thermostat to off. Wemo switch to on. Okay, so when we look at the database, it's gonna change accordingly. See here, this one's off, Wi-Fi switch is on. When we go back to UI, you're gonna see Wi-Fi thermostat is off, Wi-Fi switch is on. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.